So let us start the session. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from chapter number 6 on Pythagoras Theorem. Right, so let us start with the first question. A man goes 80 meter due east and then 150 meter due north. How far is he from the starting point? So let us draw the rough diagram. और इसको A ले लेते हैं, right, इसको C ले लेते हैं. So this is 90 degree and this is 80 meter. Okay, this is 80 meter and this is 150 meter. Right. Now, how will you find AC?
AB square plus
Pythagoras theorem.
Right, very good, by Pythagoras theorem. So, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what you will get?
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC.
Right, AC square is equals to AB square, this is square, plus BC square. Okay, ये दोनों square है. So AB is 80 and BC is 150. So 80 square plus 150 whole square. 80 square is 6400 and this is 22,500. If you add these two, you will get 28900, 28,900. So what is the square root of 28,900?
170.
170. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So this is first question. Now we are moving toward question number 2. A 13-meter long ladder reaches a window of a building 12 meter above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. एक rough diagram draw करेंगे. Okay. So this is the ladder and this is the building, height of the building, and we need to find the foot of the ladder from the building, that is BC. So how will you find BC?
Pythagoras theorem.
Right, very good. By Pythagoras theorem, what you are going to get?
AB square equals to BC square plus BC square.
Very good. AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. And AC is given 12 meter and AB is given 13 meter and we need to find BC. Right? So we are going to substitute. So BC square is equals to, हम लोग 12 square को यहाँ shift करेंगे. So minus हो जाएगा. So this will be 169 minus 144. And what is 169 minus 144? 25. Square root of 25? 5. So 5 meter is the correct answer. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B. Right. Next, a ladder is placed in such a way that its foot is at a distance of 15 meter from a wall and its top reaches a window 20 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. Okay, so this is the rough diagram. So the distance of the height of window is given from the ground and the distance of foot of the ladder from the wall it is given, and we need to find the length of the ladder. So how will you find AC?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, by using Pythagoras theorem. So we are getting AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we'll substitute the value of AB, that is 20 and BC is 15. So 20 square plus 15 square. So ये हो जाएगा 400 and this will be 225. Okay. So 400 plus 225 is 625. What is the square root of 625? 25. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 4. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. And at the same time, another plane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far will the two planes be after 1.5 hours? Okay, so we'll do first rough diagram. So ये एयरपोर्ट है. ओके, यहाँ पर एक फर्स्ट एरोप्लेन पहुँचा. Okay, and the speed is given 1000 km per hour. This is the position of second aeroplane and the speed is given 1200 km per hour. Right? And we know that distance is equals to speed into time. And what is the time given? 1.5. So 1.5 we can write 3 by 2. So distance covered by plane A will get, इसको cancel करेंगे. So what we are getting?
1500 kilometers.
Yes, 1500 kilometer. Now distance covered by plane B in 1.5 hour is 1200 into 3 by 2. So we are getting here 600.
1800.
Yes, 1800. Right. Okay. Now we need to find AB. So how will you find AB?
Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. By using Pythagoras theorem. So what you will get if you use Pythagoras theorem?
AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square.
Very good. AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Now AC is 1500 and BC is 1800. So we'll substitute. 1500 whole square will be 22. 2 0 है ना तो 4 0 हो जाएगा. It will become 4 zeros. So 2 to 5 4 zeros we have to write. Similarly 18 square is 324 and 4 zeros we have to write. Now 225 plus 325 is 549. 2 zeros. So इससे एक 100 बाहर आ जाएगा. And 549 is 61 into 9. So if you take square root you will get 3 into 100 root over 61. That is 300 root 61 kilometer. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 5. Find the length of each side of a rhombus whose diagonals are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter long. So this is the rough diagram, and we know that in a rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so that means this angle, this all angles are 90 degree. So we are going to take one triangle. So let us take triangle AOB. Okay, we have to find AB. How will you find AB?
By using Pythagoras theorem.
Yes. This is clear. 12 12 कैसे हुआ? और ये 5 5?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
diagonals
sir.
bisect each other. So this is the longest diagonal, 24 is given, so 12 12, and this is the shortest diagonal, it is given 10, so 5 5. Right. So in triangle AOB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square. Now this is 12 and this is 5. We are going to substitute 144 plus 25. So what is 144 plus 25?
169.
169. Square root of 169?
13.
13. Very good.
13.
So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is question number 5. Now we are moving toward question number 6. A ladder 15 meter long reaches a window which is 9 meter above the ground on one side of a street, keeping its foot at the same point, and the ladder is turned to another side of the street to reach a window 12 meter high. Find the width of the street. So very good question. First we are going to make one rough diagram. See, this is the length of the street. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम लोग ladder का foot है. So first we kept for this window, this height, this is the height of the window. Then we keep for this one. So diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Length of the ladder is same for both cases because same ladder we have used. Only the height is different. Now what we have to do, we have to find AC and BC by using
Pythagoras theorem.
very good Pythagoras theorem. So let us start with the first triangle, triangle ACD. So CD square is equals to AD square plus AC square. So CD is given 15 and AD is given 9. Okay. Otherwise, what we can do, we can shift this to this side. Then we can substitute. That is 15 square minus 9 square. So 225 minus 81. This is equals to 144. So इसका square root 12 meter, right. Now we'll take the another triangle and we will use Pythagoras theorem. So CE square is equals to CB square plus BE square. इसमें हम लोग को CB निकालना है. So we will shift this to this side. So 15 square minus 12 square. 225 minus 144, 81. So what is the square root of 81?
9 meters.
9. Okay. Now what is the width of the street?
21 meter.
12 plus 9 AC plus BC, मैंने कहा था ना दोनों का ऐड करना है. So 12 plus 9 means
21 meters.
21 meters. So which option is the correct one?
Option D. Option D.
Option D. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving question number 7. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Okay. So this is the rough diagram. This is one pole and this is the another pole. Total 11 meter है. यहाँ से हम लोग एक perpendicular line draw करेंगे, parallel line draw करेंगे, right? So ये दोनों 6 हो जाएगा, and this will become 5. 11 minus 6, 5. And these two are same, equal. So this is 12 meter, and we need to find BD. So उसके लिए हम लोग ये वाला triangle use करेंगे, triangle BDE. So in this triangle we need to find BD. So we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. BD square is equals to BE square plus DE square. And this is 12 and this is 5. So 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, that is equals to 169, right? And square root of 169 is 30 meter. Very good. So hence which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is question number 7. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Figure is given. Triangle ABC is a right triangle in which angle C is equals to 90 degree and CD is perpendicular to AB, BC is A and CA is B and AB is equals to A and CD is equals to P. Then 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square is equals to question 1. So first of all, see how you have to start. What is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. Okay. Now if you are going to take base AB, so altitude will be CD. उस केस में इसका एरिया कितना होगा? Half into base into height. What will be the area?
Half into
Half
A
into C
into CD.
Half into C into P, right? When we are going to take AB as a base, right? अब हम लोग BC base ले रहे हैं. We are going to take BC base, okay? And this is 90 degree. So this is the altitude. So what you will get? Area of
Half
triangle.
into BA.
Half into A into B.
Very good. Half into AB. Now both are equals to the same area. That is, both are of same triangle's area. So we can equate these two. So half will be cancelled, and we are going to get CP is equals to AB. अब इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. 1 upon B कितना होगा? 1 upon P. If you take 1 upon P, you will get C upon AB. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you apply Pythagoras theorem. Then you tell me what is C square.
1 by B square.
What is C square? C is the hypotenuse.
A square plus B square.
Very good. A square plus B square. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले स्क्वायर लेंगे दोनों साइड. Now we will substitute C square. That is B square plus A square. उसके बाद इसको split करो. If you split these two, इसमें B square cancel हो जाएगा और इसमें A square cancel हो जाएगा. So we are getting this one. That is 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is question number 8. Now we are moving toward question number 9. In a given figure, quadrilateral ABCD, angle B is 90 degree. If AD square is equals to AB square plus BC square plus CD square, then the angle ACD is equals to dash. So 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, none of these options are there. So first of all, we are going to take this right triangle, okay, ABC. By Pythagoras theorem, we are going to get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So let it be equation number 1, okay. So now what is given? This is given. So जो दिया हुआ उसको मैं ले रहा हूँ. Now see, AB square plus AD square, I can replace it what? Replace it with
AC
what?
square.
Right, AC square. Using equation number 1. नाउ सी AD स्क्वायर यहाँ पर है, AC स्क्वायर यहाँ पर है और CD स्क्वायर यहाँ पर है. That means AD square is equals to sum of the square of other two sides. So this angle will be equals to what?
90
90
90
degrees.
degree, right? Okay, by converse of Pythagoras theorem. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Right, option A. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So next question, question number 10. Find the length of a diagonal of a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So we'll do first a rough diagram. ध्यान से देखो, लेंथ 30 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है और डायगोनल ब्रेथ दिया हुआ है 16 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द डायगोनल. सो वी कैन टेक एनी ट्राइंगल. ओके, आइदर वी कैन टेक ABD, ACD और ABC भी ले सकते हैं, राइट? So I am going to take triangle ABC. So AC square will be equals to what?
AD square plus
AD
CD
square.
square.
No, in this triangle.
BD
AB square plus
plus
BC square.
Right, AB square plus BC square. Right. So AB is equals to CD is equals to 30 centimeter length हो गया और ये दोनों breadth हो गया. Now we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So we are going to get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, that is 30 square plus 16 square. This is 900, okay, and this is 256. So 900 plus 256 is 1156. And what is the square root of 1156?
36.
34. Okay, 34. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. ओके, राइट. डायगोनल्स जो है रेक्टेंगल के इक्वल होते हैं, तो दोनों डायगोनल्स का लेंथ भी सेम होगा, दैट इज 34 सेंटीमीटर. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ऑफ साइड 12 centimeter. So we are going to make one rough diagram, and we know that in equilateral triangle altitude bisects the base. So ये भी 6 centimeter हो जाएगा और ये 6 centimeter हो जाएगा. अब हम लोग को एक ट्राइंगल लेना है. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक वन ट्राइंगल. सपोज वी आर गोइंग टू टेक ट्राइंगल ABD. आई वांट टू फाइंड AD. सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, by Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to get AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay, and AD square हो जाएगा AB square minus BD square, that is 12 square minus 6 square. ठीक है, एक मिनट, ये हाफ है ना, दिस इज हाफ. Okay, so 12 square is 144 and this is 36. So 144 minus 36 is 108. What is the square root of 108?
6 root 3.
6 root 3. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option
B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 12. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC is equals to 13 centimeter. The length of the altitude from A on BC is 5 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram. And we know that in isosceles triangle also, the length of the altitude from the vertex bisects the base. Okay, altitude जो है वो base को bisect करता है, तो ये दोनों equal होगा. So what we will do, we will find either BD or CD, then we will multiply with 2 to get the value of BC. So we are going to take this triangle. Okay, ये चीज़ समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So by Pythagoras theorem, see these two are right triangle. We are going to take this triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle, what we are going to get?
AB square
AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square.
Very good. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So जो वैल्यू हमारे पास है उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, BD निकालना है. So we will shift AD square to this side. Then we'll substitute AB 13 and AD 5. So 13 square minus 5 square, that is 169 minus 25. कितना मिलेगा?
144.
144. What is the square root of 144?
12.
12. Right. We need to find BC. And BC, I told you it is 2 times BD. So what is BC?
24 centimeters.
24
Right,
centimeters.
24 centimeters. So which option is the correct one? Option C. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 13. In the given figure, O is a point inside a triangle PQR such that angle POR is 90 degree. This angle. OP is equals to 6 centimeter, OR is equals to 8 centimeter. Now if PQ is equals to 24 centimeter and QR is equals to 26 centimeter, so what is the value of angle QPR? This angle. So first what we will do, we will find the value of this side, PR. So PR कैसे निकालोगे?
Pythagoras.
Using Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem in triangle POR. Right. So we will get PR square is equals to PO square plus OR square. PO is 6 and OR is 8. So 6 square plus 8 square, that is 36 plus 64. So we are going to get 100. Square root of 100 is
10.
10.
10.
Okay. So we got 10 here. Right. Now in triangle PQR, PR square plus PQ square plus PR square, that is 24 square plus 10 square. Okay. 526 plus 100, that is 676. And what is the square of 26?
26 centimeters.
26 centimeter का square कितना है? 676. Right? QR square is 676, and that means this is equals to this one. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, this angle is 90 degree, angle QPR. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D, right. So any doubt in this question? Question number 13?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 14. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should that stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So first we will draw one rough diagram. Okay. So this is the height of the pole and this is the length of the wire. And this we have to find AC. So how will you find AC?
Pythagoras theorem.
Right. Okay, so in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to get AB
AB
square.
square equal to AC square plus BC square.
Very good. AC square plus BC square. Right. So now AB square we know it is 24 and BC is 18. Right, and CA we have to find. Okay. So 18 square को हम लोग इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, 24 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 576 and 18 square is 324. And the difference is 252. So square root of 252. 36 into 7 होता है ये.
6 root 7.
It's
Right.
root 7.
6 root 7. So correct option is
Option B. Option B.
right. So this is question number 14. Now we are moving toward question number 15. In triangle ABC, if AB is equals to 16 centimeter, BC is equals to 12 centimeter and AC is equals to 20 centimeter, then triangle ABC is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, none of this. So सबसे पहले हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं, राइट? क्योंकि only 3 sides are given, okay, and using 3 sides we cannot identify acute angle and obtuse angle. So we will check first for right angle whether it is satisfying Pythagoras theorem or not. So AB square plus BC square, because this is the longest side, so we are going to check the sum of square of these two sides. So 256 plus 144. What is the sum of these two?
400.
400, and the square root of 400 is 20, right? So that is AC square is equals to 400. So that means AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, which angle B is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, And which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now let us move toward question number 16. In an isosceles triangle ABC, if AC is equals to BC and AB square is equals to 2 times AC square, then angle C is equals to dash. First of all, it is given AC is equals to BC and it is given that AB square is equals to 2 times AC square. 2 times AC square means we can write AC square plus AC square. Now one AC we are going to replace. एक AC को मैं replace कर रहा हूँ BC के साथ. So we are going to get AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So that means by converse of Pythagoras theorem, this angle opposite to the longer side, that is AB के opposite कौन सा angle होगा?
Angle C.
Angle C. So angle C is equals to 90 degree. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 17. In a rhombus of side 10 centimeter, one of the diagonal is 12 centimeter long. The length of second diagonal. So यहाँ पे देखो हम लोग एक रफ फिगर बना रहे हैं. So side दिया हुआ है 10 centimeter and the length of one diagonal is given. Let it be AC. Okay. And we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. So we are going to take one triangle. We are going to take triangle AOB, and we need to find OB first. How will you find?
Using Pythagoras
Yes,
theorem.
very good. Using Pythagoras theorem. So what you will get if you use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle?
AB square.
AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square.
Right. Very good. So AB is given 10 and AO is 6. Now we are going to substitute this one. Okay. Fine. BO निकालना है इसलिए इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे. अब AB और AO को सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. 10 स्क्वायर माइनस 6 स्क्वायर 100 माइनस 36. What you will get?
64.
64. Square root of 64.
8.
8. Okay. So we got BO. How will you get BD then?
2 times B.
Yes, 2 times BO. That is 2 into 8. 16. Which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So another 3 questions left because 20 questions are there total. So we are moving toward question number 18. In an equilateral triangle ABC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, then which of the following is true? So this is the diagram, and we know that in equilateral triangle altitude bisects the base. So BD is equals to DC. Okay. Right. Now if we apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, what we are going to get?
AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square.
Very good. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. And एक मिनट ये वाला स्टेप लिख लेते हैं पहले. So now we are going to replace BD. BD is half of BC. Okay. उसको half of AB भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. Why?
Because it is an
BD we can write half of BC और BC को हम लोग AB भी लिख सकते हैं because it is an equilateral triangle and in equilateral triangle all sides are equal, right? So I am going to replace this by half of AB. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Actually half of BC है और BC और AB दोनों equal है, so I can write AB. So this will become 1 by 4. 1 by 4 AB square. Okay. ABC is an equilateral triangle and BD, not AD. BD is equals to half of AB. Okay, fine. So AB square is equals to 1 upon 4 AB square plus AD square. Now shift this to this side. Okay, minus हो जाएगा. And what is 1 minus 1 by 4?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So you will get 3 by 4 of AB square. अब cross multiply करो. तो what we are going to get? 3 AD square is equals to 4 AD square, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 19. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 25 centimeter and the other two sides are such that one is 5 centimeter longer. The length of these sides are. Okay, fine. So first of all, it is given that the hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, and suppose the length of one side is x. So other side we can write x minus 5. Okay.
Yes.
So let the other two sides be x centimeter and x minus 5 centimeter. So now we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem क्या है? Hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. That is 25 square plus x square plus x minus 5 whole square. ये step clear है? Okay. So now we will expand x minus 5 whole square. So what you are going to get? X square minus 10x plus 25. So x square plus x square will become 2x square minus 10x. In the same step we will shift 625 to this side, minus 625 हो जाएगा. So minus 600 हो जाएगा. ये step clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now divide all by 2. So x square minus 5x minus 300 is equals to 0. अब हम लोग split करेंगे. The product is minus 300. So 300 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 5 होना चाहिए. 20
and 50.
Very good. So minus 20 and plus 15. So what is the common between these two?
X.
इन दोनों में
15.
15. Right. So we took common. Now from this we got two factors, x minus 20 into x plus 15. So दो values आ रहा है. कौन कौन से?
20 and
20 and minus 15.
Yes, 20 and minus 15. But minus 15 we can't take because side is never negative. So side of triangle cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 20. So other side
15 centimeters.
15 centimeters. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving towards the last question, question number 20. In the given figure, O is the point inside a triangle MNP such that angle MOP is equals to 90 degree. OM is equals to 16 centimeter and OP is equals to 12 centimeter and MN is equals to 21 centimeter and this angle is 90 degree. So what is the length of NP? So very good question. First of all, we will find PM by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle POM या MOP, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, we will get MP square is equals to PO square plus OM square. PO is 12 and OM is 16. So we'll substitute, okay? So 12 square, this is square, plus 16 square. So this will become 144 and this will become 256. 144 plus 256 हो जाएगा 400. Square root 20, right? So now we got MP as 20 centimeter. Okay, अभी NP निकालेंगे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से कौन से ट्रायंगल में?
Triangle MNP.
Very good. In triangle, right triangle MPN, again by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to get PN square is equals to NM square plus MP square. Now this is 21 is given and this we got 20. So 21 square is 441 and 20 square is 400. So we'll get 841. 841 ka square root?
29.
29. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right.
Option B.
So this is the last question of this session. Now in the next session we will do MCQ questions on chapter number 1, real numbers. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.